explain to them, Mr.
Yeah, I just
What is this now?
I think there's a mechanical.
Right. Drop one off, load it up, and the other one will take this. You know, you pick up one.
You can see this is one is now. That you have to help with solid waste collection in the Georgetown municipality. These 3 pieces of equipment, 2 portable compactors and the truck were made available consequent on the use of the subvention for 2012, $20 million. That is subvention from the government of Guyana to the city council, $20 million. And approximately $14.4 million of council resources. A collaborative effort that due care will be taken not only in the use but the security, the maintenance of these expensive pieces of equipment, and I trust that they'll be used to such an extent and in such a manner that they could make a significant difference around the market areas, because one will be placed at Stabroek and another at border markets. So we should see in a matter of weeks substantial improvement in terms of the reduction in the incidence of dumping around the market square.
Thank you, Mr. Minister. My cultural environmental views sanctuary profusely, and that we never look a gift horse in the mouth. I listened to you briefly, I agree with all that you said, except to say that the issue of dumping, the question of garbage in the city, has a much wider dimension, which I'm sure you're cognizant of, and that when we come to discuss the restoration of Georgetown, I hope that those issues, which are very complex and require absolute cooperation of the government, the private sector and the municipality, are put in place so that we achieve those words we use in its reality. And that in other circumstances, I may say this is soft to Cerberus, but I wouldn't say that.
I would say
the good thing about it is it has the right color.
It's a stark
green. Well, I hope that process is advanced very quickly so that
$30 million, or the $4.4 million invested in the restoration.
The restoration will cost about $30 billion.
Yes, but we'll make a start.
A single step is a start. So thank you, sir.
Okay, and thank you too, Mr. Mayor.
That other matter we spoke about.